On today's installation video, we'll be showing you how to install a RaceChip on a BMW S58 motor.
Before installing the RaceChip, please wait until your engine is cool enough to work on. Put your parking brake or emergency brake on. If your vehicle is equipped with an alarm system, please disable it. Pop the hood, roll up the windows, close the doors, and press the lock button on your key fob and move that key fob 30 feet away. You're gonna wait about 10 minutes after for all the electricity to clear from underneath the hood.
We begin the installation by removing these nuts and bolt here to remove the strut braces and give us access to the engine itself. Pull gently on the corners of the engine cover to remove and set aside. With the strut braces removed, we will follow this up by removing the air box. To do so, we will loosen the hose clamp and remove the air filter housing. In the space underneath the now removed air box, we will want to grab a socket with an extension to remove this fastener here. Followed by moving the hose to the side. We now can connect the A side of the RaceChip harness to the boost pressure sensor shown here. With the A connection complete, we can put the hose back and replace and retighten the fastener. We then will move on to the B connection at the intake manifold pressure sensor. You'll want to go ahead and spend some time to route the wiring harness before we make the connection. Using your fingers or a small flathead screwdriver, we'll go ahead and release the locking clip at the sensor, then complete the B connection with the RaceChip wiring harness. Last but not least, we'll move on to our C connection at the camshaft position sensor. Just like with the B connection, we'll go ahead and spend some time to route the wiring harness. Make sure to stay away from any hot or moving parts, including the belt. Once again, we will undo the factory sensor plug and install the RaceChip wiring harness in the indicated orientation. Do note this one is in the opposite orientation of the A and B connections. And finally, we will grab your RaceChip tuning box and install it into the wiring harness. With the wiring harness in place and zip tied, we will then finish the installation by reinstalling the air box, tightening down the hose clamp, and replacing the strut braces and fasteners.